Hey, what's going on? It's Ralph Fixer again. I wanted to rearrange some things in my garage, so I went and checked out some prices at Lowe's. So they had a shelf there that was about $300. I wasn't really looking to spend that. So I bought a shelving kit from Home Depot. It has enough brackets in it to make 4 tiers. I ended up using about 3 of them. It's got screws, it's got the brackets, it's pretty straightforward. So not bad, right? I paid about $81 for this. I had to buy some 2x4s. I bought about 10 2x4s, and I bought some cheap 2x4s. I wasn't doing anything extravagant. They're about $4 per 2x4. I bought about 10. So here's the before picture of my garage. It's pretty, in disarray. And here's the help right here. My lovely son, he's helping out. So first thing you want to do, well, first thing I did at least, is to find a flat surface, like a wall. I use my garage door. These are for your height. These are the 4 corners of your shelving unit. So if you have a certain height you want to reach, you cut those to fit that height. So now you slide your brackets on and make them face each other the way they will be when the length 2x4 is added. Now you make your marks for every tier. So here you've removed the brackets, and now you're matching the marks to the other 2 height 2x4s. And now you have 4 height 2x4s with matching marks. And here's the help again. So now we have 4 height 2x4s. These are your 4 corners of your shelving unit. Everything's matched up, everything's in line. There's no screws yet on this part. Once I felt things were lined up perfectly, I did put the screws in. So here, just like it says, choose your own width. Your width is at your discretion. I wouldn't recommend going too far out because of weight distribution, but it's your world. So here, I'm sliding in my width board, and which is essentially the end piece. So I screwed that in. I screwed in that bottom one, and I think I screwed in the top. And that's one of the end pieces. I did the same. I repeated this process on the other side, and I eventually started adding my length boards in to complete the project. So here's the shelving unit with a few length boards inside. I think here I took a break, and I think I finished it up in the morning. So here you see I've put 2 width 2x4s to support whatever medium you decide to use to support whatever you put on this thing. I used some pretty long wood screws, used 2 of them per. Ended up finding some wood behind some stores, some scrap wood to lay over to support whatever I put up here, and it ended up kind of coming out pretty great.